Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate mousse with gelatin. First, you'll want to prepare your gelatin. Take 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder and sprinkle it over 1/4 cup of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Then, gently warm the bloomed gelatin, either in a microwave for a few seconds or over a double boiler, until it's completely dissolved and clear. Make sure it cools slightly before moving on. Next, let's create our rich chocolate base. Melt 6 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate with 1/4 cup of hot heavy cream until smooth and glossy. Set this aside to cool slightly. In another bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of cold heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. This light texture is crucial for a truly decadent mousse. Now for the magic. Slowly whisk your slightly cooled, dissolved gelatin into the chocolate mixture. This ensures even distribution and proper setting. Then, very gently fold this chocolate gelatin blend into your whipped cream. Be careful not to deflate the air you've worked so hard to incorporate. Pour the mousse into individual serving dishes or a large bowl, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until firm. Once your chocolate mousse is perfectly set, it's ready to enjoy. Garnish it with some fresh berries, a dusting of cocoa powder, or delicate chocolate shavings for an elegant touch. Serve it cold to fully appreciate its smooth, rich texture and deep chocolate flavor. It's a truly delightful dessert that's sure to impress. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.